Hello everyone, this is Anna Marie with Celebrate Creation on BeeBeeCraft Review. I received these products from BeeBeeCraft and was happy to see that the products were sealed and wrapped securely for shipping. So I went ahead and took a look at their website and products, and I'm pretty happy to see that their prices were pretty reasonable. So I will finish unwrapping and show you what I received. Hey everyone, BeeBeeCraft sent me some silicone molds. The first one I want to talk about is this one. It is a Panda Hall Elite. It is one piece with 12 design silicone jewelry mold. The size is 114 millimeters wide, 153 millimeters long, and 8.5 millimeters thick. And it is flexible, and actually it feels pretty durable, so I'm pretty happy about that. It comes with 12 different shapes, all having the hanging holds, so you can make those earrings and pendants and key rings. Should be easy pop out, just give it a twist. So that's actually kind of nice. I like all those different shapes. The next one I want to talk about is this one, which I have a feeling is going to be one of my favorites. This one also is from Panda Hall Elite. It is a 10-piece resin silicone mold. The mold sizes are about 12 to 15 millimeters wide, about 49 to 50 millimeters long, and 11 to 15 millimeters thick. They come in 10 pieces with 100-piece screw eye pins. You got 50 gold and 50 silver. The molds come in different shapes. You got shapes such as round, rectangle, square, triangle, and cylinder. There is one here that I am interested in, and it is this one. And it's got a little twist, if you can see the inside of that. And this one I can't wait to test. I think it's going to be very interesting. This one I'm pretty excited about. They should be fairly easy to release. All you do is just give it a twist and they should pop out. You can add flowers and glitter and other kind of mediums, to create that one of a kind piece. So this I'm excited about. I really like that. The next set I want to talk about is this. And this is also from Panda Hall Elite. This is a 4-piece square and round silicone bead mold with holes. So the bead size in the round and in the square are 12 millimeters and 16 millimeters. They are made with the soft silicone, and they are translucent, so you can see clearly and view what's inside of the molds. You can make earrings, pendants, and beads, of course, and those other DIY projects. So they are actually pretty soft, and you can see where they come out pretty easy. You can give it a twist. So these are really nice. Yeah, I can see a lot of different projects with these, definitely. BeeBeeCraft did send me one other item, so I do want to show you that. Let me go ahead and get that for you, and I'll be right back. This is an item that I received from BeeBeeCraft. It is a 27-piece mandala dotting tool set. You got 8 acrylic rods, you got 6 paint brushes, you got 10 ball stylus, 2 stencil templates, and 1 paint tray. The first thing I want to talk about is the dotting rods. They are flat acrylic pen. They're precision cut, and perfect for that dot painting, or creating that mandala art on rocks, paper, stretch canvas, and other surfaces. What I like about them is that they are graduates. You got one large, and they graduate all the way down to teeny tiny. There you go. So that's actually kind of nice, because you can also, which I will probably be using them on, is polymer clay. You can use it to smooth out those edges, put indentations, make impressions, roll out the clay. I mean, you can do a lot with these, especially with polymer clay. But you can use them also for, you know, dot painting. Next thing is paintbrushes. You get 6 of them, and they're good for thick stroke and fine detailing. I can't tell you anything about the bristles because I haven't taken them out, but we'll just have to try those, see what they look like. Next thing I want to talk about are the 10-ball stylus. They do come in different sizes, and what I like about these is that they also do graduate. You have one really large, come all the way down, to teeny tiny, and I know it's kind of difficult to see, but I like that. And they these are pretty heavy, so they feel like they're pretty good quality. I will be using these definitely on polymer clay and along with these, so I can't wait. You also get 2 stencils, which are really nice. You know, you can use these to emboss or make some type of a pattern. They're pretty easy to clean up, you know, so you get one large and one small. So also with this kit you get a painting tray, and what I like about this, it's got different compartments. What I'm going to be using this for is probably beads. I am also a bead artist. I will put different beads in here, put some findings in here, so it will be more convenient for me, you know, if I want to take my work to another room or just move things around. Everything's set together, so this is going to be nice for that. I definitely will use this with beads, but you can also use it for paint. Okay everyone, I will leave links below on the BeeBeeCraft website and also on these products. I do want to let you know that in the month of May, BeeBeeCraft will be having a month sale for the U.S. warehouse products, because they will be moving to a new address, and they will be offering big discounts for the clearance of their current stock there. And for my viewers, use the coupon code ANNA5 for additional $5 off any orders over $40. And if you go to their homepage, the U.S. warehouse offers free shipping on orders over $25. So don't forget to subscribe, because I will be doing tutorials on some of these products. And again, thank you for watching.